Welcome, adventurers. Prepare to be amazed by a new concept that transforms beauty and performance in the RV market. This is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a futuristic idea that combines the unmatched elegance of BMW design with the practicality of a mobile home. Imagine an automobile that radiates BMW's unique athletic and beautiful ambience while gliding down the road. It would have the iconic kidney grille, sharp adaptive laser headlights, and flawlessly flowing aerodynamic body lines. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a powerful 6-cylinder TwinPower Turbo engine, or even a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain that offers the perfect blend of rapid acceleration and exceptional fuel efficiency. Driving a premium SUV instead of a full-size RV should be enjoyable thanks to this concept. Upon entering, you are greeted by a technology and design marvel, the dashboard. In line with BMW's cockpit philosophy, the dashboard is dominated by a huge curved display that combines a digital instrument cluster with a touchscreen infotainment screen. Help is always available thanks to a 5G connection, an AI-powered voice assistant, and engaging 3D navigation. Physical buttons have mostly been replaced with intuitive haptic touch controls, and premium materials like carbon fiber and vegan leather are utilized throughout to produce a sleek and luxurious look. The inside is a luxurious and cozy retreat. Whether you want a spacious living area or a quiet workstation, you can change the layout to fit your needs thanks to the design's high degree of modularity and adaptability. The motorhome's big panoramic windows on the sides bring in plenty of natural light and offer stunning views. LED ambient lighting can be adjusted to create different moods, and a state-of-the-art air filtration system ensures that the cabin air quality is consistently fresh and clean. The bedroom in the back is a private retreat. An electronically retractable, luxurious queen-size bed has a memory foam mattress and high-quality sheets. Dimmed lights, electrically operated smart blinds, and a sound-canceling system provide a restful night's sleep wherever you are. You may also store your clothes and personal belongings in an inventive hidden cabinet. The design of the bathrooms makes the most of the available space without sacrificing style. They have hotel-style showers with rainfall showerheads, water-saving composting or vacuum toilets, and modern sinks with LED-lit mirrors. Superior waterproof fabrics and effective breathability provide maximum comfort. Not to be ignored is the kitchen, which is both attractive and functional. Its compact design incorporates contemporary amenities including a coffee maker, built-in refrigerator and freezer, microwave, and induction cooktop. The countertops are made of sturdy, high-quality materials, and there is plenty room for ingenious storage of all your kitchenware and equipment. This 2026 BMW Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience. Are you ready to embark on your luxurious adventure?